Okay, so this is the anterior of the sheep heart. The right atrium, right ventricle. We open and we see the thin wall, so we know it's the right ventricle, very thin myocardium. You can see the chordae tendineae. So the right ventricle chordae tendineae, we know this is the tricuspid valve. And there's a papillary muscle. And then on the left side, very thick myocardium, so you know this is the left ventricle. Again, there's the papillary muscle, the chordae tendineae, so we know this is the bicuspid or mitral valve, and the aortic semilunar valve is there. And if this is the left ventricle, this is the left atrium. I have it cut open. So if you're identifying the chamber, left atrium, left ventricle, and then on the posterior you can see the inferior vena cava, and then the superior vena cava goes into the top of the right atrium. And then the aorta, the large artery, you can see the blood will go from the left ventricle to the aorta. And I think that's it.